Today we're going to talk a little bit about the activities detail graph. As you can see on the screen here, we have different blocks that represent different activities, and those blocks are one of 5 different colors in this case that represent the 5 different marketing channels that are being used by this account. The actual conversion ACE score is used to put all marketing activities and all marketing channels on a common unit of scale. So now we can compare easily every activity and every channel all in one location. Looking at the activities timeline, we can now scroll anywhere we like in time and see all of the activities that happened for this account in that time, whether it be Facebook, Facebook Business, Google Ads, Google Analytics, or MailChimp. And if there's one particular activity you want to drill down into, you can just take your mouse to it and click on it. And when you click on it, you'll see the breakdown detail of that one specific activity in the lower portion of the screen here. To remove it, we can just click on it again and it'll go back to how the screen was before. Some activities span over multiple days, for example Facebook business activities. So if I click on one block where where the activity spans across multiple days, you'll see I'll actually highlight each of those days that activity was running for. Again, the detail is illustrated below. And that's it. That's a high-level overview of the activities detail timeline. Hope you enjoyed it.